Hi there, I'm Yogindra Manawat, and from the past some time I have been thinking about creating a software or tool using the Godot engine, but I didn't get anything to make. But I wanted to create something that will be helpful in the development process. So I thought of creating a no-code shader tool because I didn't like shading coding shaders. Uh, I don't know if it is a good idea or not because we already have visual shaders. Uh, which are very powerful and does exactly the same thing, and no matter how much I try to make it more user friendly, I will end up to create something similar like that, but I will try to make it more user friendly if I can. So for now, this is the UI of my no code shader tool, and I want to create it something like this, a nice minimal UI. Let's run our scene first. So here is the tool. We have a menu bar, and here are some effects we can add, layers. All of the things are not really working. I hard coded most of the things. I manually placed them, but the file menu is working, and other than they are just placed manually. Let's open an image. Let's open this splash screen. So here we have our image, and we can add some effects. For now I only have grayscale cut, but I will add some more effects. So let's apply it, and we have a strength of the effect. So let's set it to 0.5. Let's make it okay 1. So here we have our shader, grayscale shader. Now we can export it. Let's export it and save it. Let's make it black and white .gd shader, and okay, let's see if we got our shader, exported shaders, and here we have. Okay, so most of the things are here, like this toolbar, and all these are manually placed and they are not really working. All of these are also manually placed. The file menu is coded, and as well as the effects are coded. So let's create a new effect. So I created a JSON file for this. Resources, I have shader properties. So this is the JSON file for the effects. So if some basic structure of any effects what we are going to create. So let's create a effect. Let's say I want to, let's copy it, and they are the by the way, let's explain first what this all is. So here's the name of the effect, and some sub properties. Like for the grayscale effect, we had a sub property called strength, and we can set it the strength to 0 to 1. And we have a strength type of value slider. Value slider is basically a spin box. I made a scene for this here. So this is the value slider scene, and I will create some more. Like for instance, if we want to choose a direction for the motion, if we have some motion in the shader and we want to choose a direction for the motion, so that will be a option type. We can select the motion direction of the motion. So let's for now, and these are the shader parameters which will be added to the shader script when we add any new effect from the UI. When we will select the effect, these parameters will be added to the GD shader. All of the shader code generation is not really working, but it's working. So let's make another effect, and let's name it a color. Let's name it color. So for the color, we will be having 3 sub properties. RGB, let's name it red, make it 0 first. Okay, and we will be having 3 sub properties: red, green, and blue. So red, green, and blue. Red, green and blue. There will be one more property which will be steps, but I forgot to add it. 0.1. Okay, we have added another effect called color with some sub properties, 3 sub properties: red, green and blue. Okay, so now we have created. So let's see if we got our effects. Let's rebuild it. So here we have a new effect, and yeah, we got the color. Let's select the color, and we have 3 effects. There's some issue with the margin, I think. I don't know, maybe I have to fix that as well. For now, this is what I have in a working stage, and I've been working on I'm working on this to make it more user friendly and powerful as well, like the visual shaders or normal shader coding. Let's see how far we will go with this. So for now, that's it, and if you find it interesting, please consider subscribing and like the video.